Good day, all pet matters. Today we will have an update of our 16-day-old newborn puppies. Okay. This one is a male. It opened one of his eyes. The ears also developing already. Black point nose and black paw pads and curly coat. Very cute puppy. Male. And this one, I get this one. This one is male also. This one, the eye is not yet open. The coat is not that curl as the other one. Very cute puppy. And we have this one, the last one. This one is a female. This one opened her eyes already. Both eyes are open. She has curly coats, black paws, and black nose. Her ears also develop already because both of her eyes are open. Very cute puppies. They always sleeping. They will wake up when they want to nurse from their mommy dog. And that's our update for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again on our next video. Bye bye.